Hello everybody, this video here is going to discuss how you would go about adding template routes into the route builder. Now there's a separate video on how templates are created in the first place, but first, before I show you this, I'll go over again what template routes are. Template routes are a way of taking stops that are on your predetermined days and pulling them from the scheduled through filter, taking all these orders and then moving them directly over into the route screen, the center screen right here, in the order that you predetermine them in the templates. Okay, so that being said, let me break off and show you the route templates that have been created for this example. I'm going to go over to Wednesday here. Now all these stops right here, we'll import these templates right here. All these stops right here, and you can name, and templates will be discussed in another video. Okay, but then right here you can see that there's a bunch of routes here that have been created, and they've all been defined in somewhat of an order. Okay, so these are the template routes. Okay, so what we want to happen is when we're in Route Builder, we want Route Builder to take, I'm going to move over to Wednesday here for the 4th. We want Route Builder to take these stops that are scheduled for that Wednesday and pull them directly from here into the route, into that format that we just said. Now they have to be present over here in order to move them over to here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to unlock my screen and I'm going to go to Add Templates. Now it takes a moment for it to load up all the templates. Okay, good. So here's all the Wednesday routes right here. Now I can choose to put them all in there, or I can just choose to put some of them in there. So I'm just going to go and select them all. Okay, so what that did, you'll see this list right here considerably dropped down because it moved all those stops that were over here into the route format. It moved them right in the order that I showed you in those templates. But again, they have to be present in the scheduled orders filter. The orders have to be over here in order for them to move over to here. Okay, now you can also, just because the template is set for Wednesday doesn't mean you have to run it on Wednesday. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add another template in, but I'm going to grab a Thursday route and put it in for today. Put it in for Wednesday. So again, I'm going to click on Add Templates and I'll let them load up. Let that finish. Great. Okay, now first off, you're going to see right here, they've all been marked off that there is no orders present for these. That's what this means. That means they've already on routes. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to uncheck this Wednesday. I'm going to go to Thursday. Now I can open up and take a look at these things here, but you know what? I've decided that I'm going to run the Slavic Village run on Wednesday rather than Thursday. I can add that right in. And there it is. There's the Slavic Village route. Okay, so, but at the same time, I can take this, it took all those stops from here, I can delete it. And all those orders went right back over here. Publish. Okay, so that is in the insertion of the template routes. One moment, please. What I'd like to add to this is explain how I used to do this every week. I would start off my week and I would go into each individual day and I would run the templates for every single day, exactly how I thought the week might come out. Now, obviously, we're all in the ice business and we know that there's nothing static about this business. Just because you inserted the templates and put the routes in for each individual day does not mean that's how the weeks are going to run. Okay. But with Cool Running in the Route Builder screen, we can move things around all over the place. We can take full routes, we can run templates on different days, we can pull, drag, stops, order, do whatever we want to do in this screen. But that's just a tip from me, what I would always do. I like to put all the routes in place. I like what I like to say, a clean filter. I want all these scheduled through filters and I want them to have a home right away at the start of the week. Then my focus is on the orders that are coming in and making daily adjustments. Okay, so that's explaining the addition of templates into daily routes. And if anyone has any questions, please give me a call. Thank you.